This is Ticao Island, our last destination in the Philippines. The locals and staff were really friendly and the accommodation was really nice. The next day we did a full day tour to explore a few different destinations. We went snorkeling to see baby sharks, but we didn't see any baby sharks. Instead we just saw lots of clownfish and some of them were very territorial. The highlight of this day tour was to visit the waterfall that falls directly into the ocean. Personally, never seen a waterfall that falls directly into the ocean before, so this was really cool, and our tour guides got nice and close to the waterfall in the boat. This is where we had our lunch break, and the staff at the resort packed us some food. This was my personal favourite destination, and we got to spend a lot of time swimming under the waterfall. Our last activity for the day was to go scuba diving, and we had to do some basic training first. Overall, we all really enjoyed our stay in the Philippines for a month in February this year. Luckily, we got back to Australia before the country went into lockdown, but at least we made the most of our time before that. This brings me to the end of the video and the end to our time in the Philippines.